Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Question: how do you travel to work? Or how do you travel to school, to college, to university? Do you go by bus, by car, by train? That little preposition, by, we use it when we want to talk about how we travel anywhere. By bus, by train, by boat, by plane. My brother goes to work by car. However, if you walk to work or school or college or university, you go on foot. You don't go by foot. You always go on foot. Did you come here by car or on foot? So there we are. English grammar, that little preposition by, is used in so many ways, and one of them is to talk about ways to travel. Thanks for watching. See you next time, hope so, on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.